Good evening. I'm Allison Donnelly for Cecil TV. I'm here at the Cecil County School of Technology open house with Principal Jim Moreau. Can you tell us about tonight's event?
Tonight is really a great opportunity for potential students, prospective students, 10th graders, to see all the programs that we have to offer here. Really just on their own, explore, talk to students, current students, talk to our instructors, get to experience a little bit of what we do around here before they have to make any type of final decision as to whether or not they want to apply to be part of our awesome school community.
And what types of programs are on display tonight?
All 24 of our programs are on display tonight. So everything from automotive technology to welding, interactive media, Teacher Academy of Maryland, ag science, all of our programs are on display. Our culinary students are walking around with trays of food. Our National Technical Honor Society members are acting as tour guides for the public tonight, so they're all dressed up in their tuxedo shirts and bow ties, putting on a good show for everybody. So it really is a whole school effort to put tonight on.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm here with Gabe. He's working on his truck here in the auto department at CCST. Gabe, what are you doing here?
I'm just simply replacing my oil and trying to get the oil filter off, which can be a pain in the butt sometimes. So we've had some fun trying to get this one off. But we got it now, finally, so hopefully we can get it off.
And you're a student here in this program. So what else do you learn?
We cover basically everything from bumper to bumper. We do the electrical, we do tires, you do the computers, you do fluids and different engine performance. So it's a pretty basic overall coverage of it.
And what are your future plans?
I'm planning to go to the Army for aviation maintenance.
Cool, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm here with Lisa Ford. She's a teacher here in the cosmetology department at the Cecil County School of Technology. Lisa, what do students learn here?
In the cosmetology department, we learn everything from hair, skin, and nails, from the top of the body to the bottom. They're here for 1,500 hours, and it is a complete hour-based program. So they're here all of their junior year, and they're here every other day of their senior year. When they finish this program, they have an opportunity to be licensed. They will take the licensing test at the end of their senior year, and then they can go out into the workforce as soon as they graduate.
And what kind of jobs does the cosmetology department prepare them for?
Cosmetology prepares them for anything to do with hair. They could do facials, they could do manicures, pedicures, waxing, everything into that field.
And I know that there's, you can come here as a member of the public and get services done. What are the hours of that?
We usually do. It's a little crazy because of the AB schedule, right. But junior year, they're here from January to June. They're here every other Wednesday at 10 a.m. They work on clients. And then senior year, it's roughly September till December. It's about every other week. We still try to stick to the Wednesdays and Fridays because instruction time, they still have to have that. So 10 a.m.
Is that a popular service?
It is very popular because they're only paying for product usage, so the students are actually love when people come in and get stuff done. A lot of our clientele seems to be roughly people that are retired, and they come in and they're on a budget, so it's nice for them to be able to get services done. We check all the work, so nobody walks out of here with something not correct or a wrong color. So it works out really well.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm here with Amaya. She's a student here in the cosmetology department at CCST. Amaya, what do you learn here?
I learn cosmetology, and we do hair, nails, and skin.
And what are your future plans?
Well, I want to own my own salon, and I like to do hair and braids.
Cool. Do you think you'll stay in Cecil County or move elsewhere?
Yeah, I plan to graduate from here and then go to a four-year college.
Great, thank you. I'm here with Tyler and Larry, who are both seniors. Tyler is a senior at Rising Sun High School. What have you learned in this program?
Well, I've learned a lot of residential stuff, like how to wire receptacles, switches, and do panels. He's taught us how to do Ohm's Law, and he's taught us a little bit about how to bend pipe.
And I should have mentioned that you are an electrical student at the Cecil County School of Technology. What's going on behind you?
Well, all this is a three-way switch, so every single switch going on can control the same switch. Like all the reds can control this one right here. It's called a three-way switch. You're leaving this right here with a 3-wire, and you're coming for all these. And the same thing for the blues and the greens and the yellows. They all connect with called a three-wire.
Got it.
Yeah, 4-way.
Okay. What are your plans next year?
Well, I'd like to go to Tri-M and have them put me through school and then get my journeyman papers and then maybe go work for the union.
Where's Tri-M?
It's in Kennett Square in Pennsylvania.
Great. Larry, how about you?
Well, I've actually worked for Tri-M this summer already, and it was a great time. But I'm probably going right back to Tri-M this summer. They're great people. Good. It's a great time there. That's about it, though.
Great. Thanks. I'm here with Cody Downer in the Culinary Arts Department of CCST. Cody has just given us a very thorough tour. What are your plans next year?
I'm planning on going to Pittsburgh Technical Institution for their culinary arts program and their business management.
And are you more of a baker or a chef?
I'm not much of a baker. I love cooking, though. Anything has to do with fire, I love it.
What is your favorite thing to cook?
I actually love cooking wild game such as deer and other turkey, but fish too. I love seafood. It's my favorite.
Are you cooking Thanksgiving dinner?
I'm actually cooking Thanksgiving dinner, yeah. Since I started doing this about a year and a half ago, my mom makes me do a lot more around the house.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Chef Seyfried, how many students participate in this program?
I have 42 students right now. I have 20 juniors and 20 juniors and 22 seniors.
Is that a relatively large group of kids?
We always have about that many. Yeah, it's a large group of kids who teach in a kitchen, but it works. It works because we have such a nice kitchen. It's
you really do.
nice. Yeah.
What kinds of things do students do after they leave your program?
The majority of these students end up going to Cecil, or some of them go in straight into the industry, straight into the restaurant industry. Some of them go to culinary school. I have some that go to four-year colleges, so it's a mix. You know, some of them go into business. Mm-hmm. So yeah, but I'd say probably 25% stay in the restaurant industry in some form.
And what is your favorite part of this program?
I think it's probably watching the kids do something for the first time successfully, and they just get really excited about it, or somebody eats their food and really likes it. You know what I mean? That's really rewarding for kids. The other day, one of the students made some crab soup for a big group, and she was serving it, and they found out she's the one that made the soup, and they gave her a standing ovation. So, I mean, that was a big deal. I've never gotten a standing ovation for my food. So, yeah, it was good. So, I love that. I love watching them.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.